Come on, let's get this. Yeah, nigga got chopper. 7 kills, she caught a helicopter, nigga. Ah, shit. Got your ass right there.
So you losing right now?
Nah, man, I'ma get this nigga. I'ma get him. I'ma catch up. Ah, shit. Come on, man. I'ma snap my ass. Ah, shit. Top.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, shit.
Our game just died.
That nigga pissed on me from distance. Come on, man. Oh, no, man. Fuck that shit, man. I got you. Hold on. Let's run this back. You want to get there?
What's the score?
Want to get on the stick?
Did you lose?
Nah, man. This guy cheated, man. This guy ended the game. You want to get that?
I'm too scared I'll lose.
Come on. I got this, man. Let me introduce them to the camera viewer.
Okay. See if I'm gonna lose now.
So what y'all getting on next, man? See this shit.
How do we do that? Right then? How do we do that?
This guy's sitting on
Go
that
on,
sealed
change
floor.
team.
What we got up here? 3 bags.
I'm a beginner at this game, so I'm gonna start. I'm the one on the bottom.
Ah, so you the one on the bottom, huh? That nigga died.
Yeah.
So what comes up next, man? Little couch up in here. Feel back a little, show you everything we got. Lights playing on this slide. So yeah, we got my boy right here. It's Aerobus right here. There goes Bradley right there.
I did too. Oh, what
Niggas
the?
hitting that COD4,
Yeah.
man. We're on a PS3 right there. So we got a little saving here.
You see the green I threw it. What the? Oh! Yeah.
I will get up and get back at you. See what happened at the end of the game.